Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to play online on FC26. Alright, let's begin. FC26 offers multiple online modes where you can play online. From the main menu, select Seasons to play online using real teams. Choose your team, select Play Match, search for an opponent, and start playing. Next, go to Online Friendlies. Here, you can create a friendly match, invite a friend, or play against a random player. If you want to team up with a friend, select Co-op Seasons, then create or load a season and play together online. Another major mode is Ultimate Team. Select Ultimate Team, go to the Play section, and choose from modes like Rush, Rivals, or Friendlies. You can also play clubs by creating a virtual pro and joining a club to play full matches with other players. So that's basically how you can play online on FC26. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.